So, my dear student, according to the ideal gas law, the product of the pressure and volume is equal to the number of moles, that is given mass, divided by molar mass. This is number of moles times R, there is universal gas constant, times temperature, right? So from here, this equals R times T divided by molar mass. This would be equal to pressure times volume divided by mass. By rearranging this here, mass by volume is equal to density, because this is the definition of density is basically equals to mass by volume. So this equals, from here, the velocity comes out to be the square root of